Okay, I'll get into it. Mini Project 3. This one wasn't too bad. I already had a bit of knowledge on some of the stuff here, but real problems. It's just a bit hard to get used to the Postgres software because I've been using MySQL. But here's our GitHub page. README is basically everything you need. Project structure, how to install stuff. If you have any questions, basically go there. Yeah. I already Git cloned everything, so don't worry about that. So let's start with server.js. This is the most important part because it's all the JavaScript. Added some new stuff, PG, which is our Postgres, and our, it's one other thing added here, but I forget. I have comments everywhere, so if you have any questions, you can go here. This is our Postgres connection pool, how do you connect to your database. You want to change this to your password, and a different port if you have it on a different port, of course, and make sure your database name is correct. I had a problem with that earlier. This tests our connection. If the connection doesn't work, it doesn't load. So our middleware to make sure everything works. Our configuration for the session. This is in 24 hours for cookies. This checks if the user's logged in, and this is our date formatter. Just using some simple date stuff. 2 digits for hour and minutes, all we need. It's all our routes. This is our homepage. Most of the stuff is old, so I'm gonna skip over some old stuff. This is our sign up page. This makes sure it goes to sign up. This handles it. And then if the user ID exists, it will say that it's taken. It'll insert a new user ID, password, and name if you put in a good one. And this is our signing page. Just make sure that this entire section makes sure that your sign-in is correct with valid user ID and password. And then just log out. Create a post, that isn't new. The only thing that's new here is the user ID stuff. So everything else is pretty much the same as earlier. So updated update posts. So it has to have, so to update a post, you need to have ownership of that post, whether this is to delete or to just edit it. Again, login and ownership. And then this is source to server. Excuse me. Sorry. Some stuff was updated in styles. Just added some stuff to make sure our sign-in authentication pages worked and didn't look like garbage. Partials are the same. Some little stuff was added into our index, which is, our sign in and sign up buttons using an auth prompt. Um, some other stuff in here, but some small stuff. Then for our sign in and sign up page, start sign up. It access to create account, user with a user ID and which must use these characters. So this helps a little bit with SQL injection. It's not perfect, of course, um, but it's a little bit. Password must be 6 characters. I didn't hash it here. I didn't have time, but it is mentioned in the README that you should hash your passwords. It's very good. It's very, very secure. And it's basically the same thing, but if you already have an account. Okay, let's get into it. We're gonna npm start. It's gonna run. We're gonna go to localhost. It's our page. We have some blogs here already. We're gonna sign up. Say our user ID is 1234, and our full name is 12345, and our password is 123456. Please don't do this. This is just for testing purposes. Don't do that. Our user ID is 1234, and our password is 123456. Let's say we like the numbers 123. These are numbers. Publish. Kaboom. Now we have ownership of this post, so we can edit it. Numbers 2, update. I was having a bit of trouble. I can't get the update date working, but I'll fix that in a later version if I continue to work on this. But for right now, it doesn't work. But that's pretty much it. And you can log out, and then you need to be signed in to be able to actually access and make blogs.